Morning, Bikini Bottomites. Tonight we're going to draw milotic, one of the Hoenn region's most popular Pokemon. And one of my favorites as well, even though it's really rare and hard to find. I managed to get him in Pokemon Home. One of her signature moves involved Aqua Tail and Twister. Wow, that's a new one. I had no idea she knew Twister. There.
Say so.
Why did you
Next one, 5 seconds.
Hey all you people, hey all you people, hey all you people, won't you listen to
Of course.
me? I just had a sandwich, no ordinary sandwich, a sandwich filled with jellyfish jelly. Hey man, you've got to try this sandwich. It's no ordinary sandwich. It's the tastiest sandwich in the sea. Skibbity hoobers, abba-dee, wabba-doo-dee, bow, yeah. Thank you.
There.
I'm a goofy goober. You're a goofy goober. We're all goofy goobers.
Lily.
Goofy, goofy, goober, goober.
Lily finally dies. Sorry to tell you, milotic, but it's the truth. Lily's dead. But you shouldn't be sorry. You're glad she's gone. There. That's all for now. That's how you draw the mighty milotic. You see, milotic evolves from Feebas using a rainbow scale and link training. It's a really exhausting job, and it gets really hard to do when you're finding Pokemon like this. And be glad that I've got her in my collection.